Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Skype on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to App Store and tap search and write Skype. Then tap get and double click to install. And now wait until finish downloading Skype. After installing Skype, tap open. And now we need to create a new account. Tap create one. Then select your country and write your number. If you don't have a phone number, you can use email instead. Then tap next. And now create a password. Then tap next. And now write your first name and your last name. Then tap next. And now select your country and select your birthday. Then tap next. Now write your code that you received in your email. Then tap next. Tap next, and now select the direction of this finger. Then submit. The same. Then submit. Then submit. Perfect. Now verification complete. Now tap continue, tap allow, and tap continue, then allow again, allow, and then select yes contribute, and that's it. Congratulations. Now you can easily use your Skype. For example, we have here a multiple options. For example, if you want to search for someone on Skype, go to search and tap his username, for example this, and you can add it here. You can make a call and you can send a message, for example hello, and you can add it in your contacts. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.